bum parked here in the soon to be work area, and I'm getting very close to being very organised. Over to my right I've got all the wall lined, ready to put cupboards and another bench in to keep a lot of the stuff in, all my work tools and automotive stuff, get them out of the way, and that way I can make some room here and actually do something constructive very shortly. I'd like to do a few shout outs, and the man who started me on this little path, who did a shout out for me a while back, is Wilmer at Indian Head Valley Railroad. Now he's a good fella that likes to spread the word, and he's got a good heart. He likes his model trains, like all the rest of us. So we can support everybody in this little quest, and check him out for sure. And there's three other guys that I want to give a shout out to, and in this little section I'm looking at fellas in UK who go up and down the country chasing all the exhibitions, and the UK has some fantastic exhibitions. They really get into their model rail over there, as well as all the preserved railways they have. So it's worth checking these guys out. If you like nice detailed model railways, whether it be English, European or American outline, it's mostly British, but it's still really good stuff. So there's three guys that do a pretty good job of this, and I want to give them a bit of a shout out. The first one is Martin Edwards. He's got just over 1,000 subs, and I've been following him since he had well below that, and he does a fantastic job with all these videos. The second is Philip Holmes. He hasn't got many subscribers at this stage, but he's producing some pretty good stuff as well, so check him out. And also Timsy Tanker as well. Now he, like the other two, follow all the exhibitions around the place, and he does an exceptional job of his videos. So they're all worth checking out, and all the links to their channels will be in the description below. So just check them out, give them a bit of support, and see how you go. That logo at the start of the video is the same one that's in the intro. It's a Broadway Limited J1, I believe, off the top of my head, Pennsylvania Railroad, 4444, and it comes complete with sound, and whether you use DCC or DC, it still makes noises and carries on. It weighs about a tonne, so I'm sure it'll be able to pull a pretty good rake of coaches behind it once I get them set up. And the other two are just a few Runbys that I've got out and blew the cobwebs off. One you'll recognise as the SD40, but that's just a bit of a fill-in. So I'll make some more videos of this nature where I'll drag out some of my gear and do some run-bys, and find plenty of other guys out there on YouTube who are having a bit of a go that need our support as much as we need theirs. So we can help everyone in this little quest. So check out everybody that I recommend, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. So we'll probably see you next time on the next one of these.